Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yes, today I decided to clean out my closet, my shoe section. A lot of these are from when I was in middle school, honestly, and they've just been in my closet because I just don't want to let them go. I actually ran out of space in my closet, so I kind of had to do like a spring cleaning to get rid of some of them and sell them maybe like on OfferUp or something, so that way I'm able to buy some more. A lot of my shoes, I purchased them from Forever 21, the clearance section. I try to never purchase a pair of shoes full price. I'm always trying to find like a discount or like a promo code, because who wants to pay full price, you know? Here we have little Maui. Go follow him on his Instagram. These boots, actually got them at Ross. They were $30 and they're original Doc Martens. Ever since I was little, I've always loved shoes. Always. I started wearing high heels when I was 9 years old for my aunt's wedding. I think I was wearing like 3.5, almost 4-inch high heels. They're like, what? How is she able to walk on those, you know? I have an obsession with shoes, especially sparkly ones. And really high ones. When I was younger, I would wear like 4 to 6-inch high heels, but now that I'm a little older, a 4-inch is okay. I remember when I lived with my parents, I had to play Tetris with all the shoe boxes to try to make them fit in the closet. So as you can see, this one's honestly like peeling and falling apart because it's just so old. And practically I used those like twice. Those are for my mambo dances. Oh, these are the most comfortable wedges. I really recommend. These are my favorite high heels. A very good friend, La Señora Angela, gave these to me for my birthday. These I've used once for a wedding. Probably will be getting rid of. These are my absolute favorite as well. I love to dress like from the 1950s era, so these are really cute. Now let me tell you a really funny story about Ugg boots. I found out about them when I went to high school. In the back of the shoe it says Ugg. Well, I didn't know that's how you pronounced it, and I told my mom, everyone has these boots, I really want them, they're called UGG boots. And so my mom started laughing. She's like, those boots are pronounced Ugg boots. These shoes are very special. My grandmother purchased these for me. They are absolute amazing, so I always keep them in their little bag for protection. Now, as you can see, these are really old, but they're so cute. Oh my goodness, look at that. The strap broke. These I wore for Halloween when I was a clown. These are from Ross. These are from Forever 21. I still have some on top. Now, I love those boots. I actually got those from Pennsylvania. I was freezing my butt off. So right here, I just started organizing them, so that way I have more space to take them out and see which ones I need to get rid of. Now guys, I did not know I had so many shoes because I did not know how I made them fit. And I still have all of my tennis shoes that I still need to take out. I have some hiking shoes. I bedazzled some shoes as well. I've lately been getting into Skechers. They are the most comfortable shoes ever. Being on my feet the whole time, always teaching, my feet started to hurt and I had to go get acupuncture. I wasn't able to walk. I was like limping, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna invest in some good shoes. Reason to buy more shoes. And so I did, and I did some research, and because of the memory foam that the Skechers have, I wish they had cuter styles. But yeah, Skechers have saved my life and my feet as well. Now, I used to wear Nikes every single day. My feet started to hurt more while wearing Nikes, but I really do like their styles and they're really cute, and I would buy like matching outfits from Old Navy. Guys, this took forever to do. My little helper is sleeping. Guys, I still have all my sandals and Converse to go through. After taking out most of the shoes, I decided to clean the bottom since I haven't cleaned that section in a really long time. It's probably full of germs. So I just sprayed them down. Alright, getting into my sandals section. As you can see, some I did use a lot, some are basically brand new. Those are hideous. Oh my goodness, the plastic turned like some ugly yellow. I have my old lady shoes. Oh, these are from Mexico, from Zamora. These I bought from China. I like them so much, so I bought 2 colors. Oh, these are actual Sperry's, and I bought them for like 20 bucks at Ross, when Sperry's are actually really expensive. Now I do have a lot of slippers since we don't allow shoes in my house. Leo gave these to me, and these are the best Nikes ever. I got these in Mexico City. As you can see, I love glitter, and when I was in middle school, I started collecting Converse. I have quite a lot of Converse. I did get rid of some before moving out of my parents' house, but I did keep a lot. Now these are made out of tennis ball fabric. Those I usually wear for 4th of July. But I honestly do not wear Converse anymore because there's like no support. And my feet are so important. I'm like, you know what? Maybe it's not worth it. So I just have them there because they're, memories. And here I have all of them laid out on my floor, but don't worry, I steam mopped it after I put them all back into the closet. That way there's no germs on the floor. After counting all of the shoes, the grand total was 138 shoes. Wow. Let me know down in the comments below, how many shoes do you have in your closet? I would like to know. Can you beat my number? After taking all of them out, I had to do the process of elimination and put all the shoes that I wanted back in. Shoes I'm getting rid of and selling. That took forever, but I finally finished. Thanks so much for watching.